Hello, we are heading towards Wisconsin.
Are you ready?
Yeah! Let's go camping.
Mishki, where are we going?
Camping, Mama.
Yeah. Hey guys, it's me Sarita. Welcome back to my channel. Today is a camping day. I am super excited. Ayans is also excited. Our family and 3 other family have come together to this beautiful camping site. By the time we reached at the campsite and done with checking in process, it's already 8 in the evening. In the month of July here in America, the sun sets after 8:30 p.m. Since there was little time left to sunset, we immediately started setting up the tent after arriving there. It was already dark when we are done with it. Where have you come? Camping? Where have you come, Nikki? Good morning, Ajit.
Good morning.
Good morning, Ayansh.
Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning. Good morning, my lovely friends. Yesterday when the tent setup was over, it was already dark. There was less lighting, so I couldn't take much videos. So today, first, let's go inside the tent. Actually, this is my second time camping in my life. The first time camping we did, Ayans was 1.5 years old. He was little and I was always behind him, so I couldn't enjoy much during that time. But this time Ayans is going to be 6 in couple of months. He is much more manageable as compared to the previous one, and I am able to enjoy. Our morning breakfast, some puris, litti, banana, and potato and peas curry. We had a beautiful brunch, breakfast plus lunch with friends and family in the woods. After having such a great brunch, we spent some time in the camping area chatting and playing. We went to the original Wisconsin Duck Tour in Dells around 1 p.m. Duck is a vehicle that runs both in land and water, and the tour provides fun and scenic beauty of the Wisconsin River and Lake Delton in Dells area. After dog tour, we came back to the campsite, took 1 hour of rest inside the tent. The kids enjoyed in pool area while the gentlemen played cards. We had our dinner and sat around the campfire till we went to the bed. Good morning. It's the last day of our camping and the camping is over. It was super fun. We enjoyed a lot. Thanks for watching my video. And last thing, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. I will see you with another video. Till then, bye bye.
Okay, ready? 2, 3. Yay!